Let me answer this one question that so many people have been asking. Does YouTube pay, and how does it pay? It's a question that any person would want to to hear being responded to. And yes, the question is as simple as, does it pay? How does it pay? What are the requirements? Let me say that creativity pays. Creatives in this country are making good money from YouTube, but what pays majorly on YouTube is not just having a channel or necessarily having content on the channel. What pays most is the value of the content that you generate. So many people in their different capacities can come up with content, but does that content really make value that is deserved? Can I generate content that is worth listening, and does it match the standards of YouTube? Let me respond to this question in a very quick way. Kenya's celebrities are well known for doing good videos. However, most of our people are in one niche, which is comedy and music. Comedy pays, music pays. We do have a lot of people who are doing content that's around educational content, travels and tours and all that. Those are open niches that if you thought of opening a new channel, you may want to explore, because very few people are doing that. Majority of us are doing content around music, entertainment, rather majorly entertainment, comedy and music. That could be a good way. Very few people are running channels around how to cook, we call them life hacks, the how-to videos. And so if you're thinking of coming up with a new channel, think about customizing your content around how-to videos. Now, YouTube will pay you, yes. In fact, there are a number of ways that you can make money from YouTube, which I'll mention. But YouTube itself is likely to pay you. Myself, they pay me. But before they pay you, there are those requirements that you're supposed to meet. The first and the most basic requirement that almost all people who have a YouTube channel know is that you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. I don't think it's a lot. I don't think it's something that can take you 6 months. Because if you can open a Facebook account and you have it, at 2,000 followers and friends within like 2 months, then for a channel you can at least have 1,000 in 5 months, or even 4 months, even a month, depending on how much time you're likely to put into it, because so many people at least now understand what is YouTube and they know what it means to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Okay, the benefit of first hitting 1,000 subscribers is one, it is one of the two requirements that are required for you to at least begin to earn from YouTube through Adsense. Adsense is when YouTube will putting their own adverts into your videos so that people, rather, they can watch those ads, and once they watch the ads, you are paid. You get the point? So that is one of the requirements. And once you hit 1,000 as well, there is another benefit. You can go live on your channel, and as well, you can post to the community. Like just do a post, a photo, and you attach a caption, other than posting a video. Before you get to 1,000, rather when you are below 1,000 subscribers, you can only post videos. So you hit 1,000, you can now begin to stream live using your channel, and you can as well post content to your community. Now, the second requirement, and this is where people need to focus on, those who are thinking of getting to YouTube, is reaching 4,000 public watch hours. I said 4,000. It's not a small amount of hours to hit. 4,000 public watch hours for the last 1 year, 365 days. You can do your calculations and tell for you to hit at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. How many watch hours do you need to achieve every single day? Or how many views of your number of videos you need at least every single day? I mean, this can be too much time or achievable thing depending on, again, how much time you give into your videos and the content of the video. I'll tell you this, when you're doing your videos, make sure that it's something that people would want to watch to the end, because now here what matters is not views, it is the length of viewing, how long your content is. I've seen so many people coming up with very nice short videos, but my question is, you're doing a video that is of like 1 minute or 2 minutes. How long, rather how many times does that 1 minute video need to be watched for it to generate at least even 1,000 watch hours? So many times by so many people, and before you get there, unless you go viral because of a reason or another. So begin to think about content that is at least 8 minutes. 8 minutes content is good for your viewers. Then once you hit the 4,000, remember you cannot watch your own videos and make part of this 4,000 public watch hours, because it's specifically public hours. People watching your content, not you playing your own content and watching for yourself. So those are the two main basic requirements by YouTube for you to begin to earn through AdSense. But before you get to the level of being paid by YouTube to earn from such an approach, I can give you like at least 2 other ways that you could employ to begin to earn from YouTube. The first one is beginning to advertise your content from your locality in your own videos. This is what I mean. You can now begin to advertise, look for adverts from your locality in your videos, so that if at least your video is likely to have 10,000 views, go to that local hotel. Tell them that I want to do a video in this hotel, and I want you people to give me at least 5,000. I do this video and advertise you as part of my video. That way, it's not, because the good thing is with this is that once I have uploaded my video on YouTube, unless I choose to delete for no good reason, which is not something of possibility, then it is going to last there forever. YouTube, you can't edit videos once you've uploaded them. So if it will be there forever, if it will attract 1 million views, it is to their benefit. They have paid one-off 5,000, but it is there to last forever. It depends on how daring you are and also how convincing you are to convince these guys that they can give you at least a few coins and they become part of that. Then the other way you can also earn is to let people sponsor your videos. For example, you can do videos courtesy of. For instance, if I choose to dedicate this specific video to a specific institution, I'll tell them to give me a few bucks and I'll do the video courtesy of. And I'll make sure that part of the editing that I'll do to the video, I'll include this video comes to you courtesy of. I know it is not the best thing to do, because YouTube might not want to advertise in a video that's already sponsored, but make sure that the sponsorship is not as direct, is not as open as as open as an advert. It is kind of an affiliate way of marketing and doing sales using your own videos. Those are a few things that I may want to mention. And I want to encourage you that there's a lot of money on YouTube. And the beautiful thing is that once they begin to pay you, they'll pay you for all the videos that you ever did. Even if it was done 10 years ago, they'll put adverts in those videos, and those videos will begin to generate for you money. The other beautiful thing is that money comes in as you're just seated. You don't do anything, like you're just there, and money is just coming in because people are watching. Even without your knowledge, you are doing your own thing and people out there are watching. For instance, I will say that in Kenya, for 1,000 views, you are likely to make between 100 and 500 Kenya shillings. I know it is too little. For 1,000 views, 100 shillings, it is too little. But again, remember, these are views, not hours. And it's very easy to get 1,000. I think in my channel, every day I make more than 1,000 views. Every day, more than 1,000 views, without doing anything, without marketing, without boosting, without promoting anything. Just ideally, passively, when I'm seated, I usually make more than 1,000 views, even more than 2,000 views every single day. And that is not bad income passively, because you're not doing anything after all. It's just shooting this video and doing a few editing here and there. So it's something that you may want to explore. I was just reading about somebody, my namesake, called Timothy Jugush, and I was so much encouraged to realize that Jugush has made more than 22 million since 2014. 22 million from YouTube only. 22 million. That's good money, and I think that's good. At least it's good motivation. And Timothy does, he has mastered his niche. So I'll tell you that if you want to kill it on YouTube, master your niche, know what you want, and go for it. Like, put efforts, learn a few skills here and there, how to edit videos, how to do self-shooting videos. I'll tell you freely that I'm self-shooting this video, and I enjoy doing it because it's also part of what I may want to do when I'm not engaged in other official things. And doing what you love doing after you are done with your formal things, and it is also part of your passive income. Isn't it good? It is.